To create and calculate a recipe, you can click on the button Recipe on the dashboard or open your recipe overview and click on Create Recipe in the top right. Now, enter the name of your recipe. In this case, beef fillet with broccoli and cucumber salad. Decide whether you want to assign the recipe to a special menu or category and click on Create. Now you first have to define the number of servings the dish is to be calculated for. You then search for your first ingredient. You are shown various selection options including products from the Metro range. These are also linked to the Metro prices and are updated daily so that you always have the latest information. Next, define the quantity of this ingredient that you need for your recipe. For broccoli, we may now use an ingredient that is not linked to the Metro database, but which you have already created for another recipe. The video on the ingredients overview demonstrates how to add your own ingredients. We have already set up the recipe for the cucumber salad in our database. In this case, you no longer need to list all ingredients of this recipe individually. Instead, you can use the existing recipe for the cucumber salad and add it to our beef recipe on a portion basis. You can now use the existing flat rates to avoid having to enter all the spices individually. By clicking Edit Flat Rates, you can change existing flat rates or add new ones. For example, here we use the sauces and the spices flat rate. Allergens are displayed at the bottom of the screen. For Metro articles, allergens are automatically added and displayed in blue. Allergens defined by you are highlighted in beige. The calculation for the recipe is now complete and you can see the total costs per serving. The tool now automatically calculates the recommended sales price based on the targeted food cost that you have previously defined on the dashboard. In the lower area, you can see how much profit you would make if you adjusted the sales price for 100 portions. Naturally, we click on Accept, at which point the calculation is adjusted.